Welcome to Investor Expert, your go-to guide for smarter, faster, future-proof finance. If you're serious about building a life of freedom, wealth, and options, you're in the right place. Today's topic: one of the most important videos you'll watch in your 20s. How do you actually build wealth in your 20s, even if you're broke? No rich parents, no trust fund, no six-figure job. Just you, your hustle, and a phone with internet. If that sounds like you, stick around, because the steps I'm about to share can help you build a strong financial foundation that most people don't even start until their 30s or 40s. Let's start with the truth. Wealth isn't about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep, how you grow it, and how long it works for you. The biggest mistake people make in their 20s is trying to look rich before they become rich. Flashy cars, expensive clothes, nights out. That's how most people stay broke. If you can shift your mindset from consumer to creator, spender to investor, you're already ahead of 90% of people your age. You don't need a perfect job. You need income. Start with what you have. Sell a skill, freelance, start a small service, or pick up side hustles. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and even social media are tools to monetize your time. Once you're earning even a few $100s extra, you now have the power to save, invest, and build. No income? Start there. Get that cash flow first, even if it's small. Now that you're earning, don't increase your spending just because your income went up. Create a simple budget. Track your expenses. Cut what doesn't serve your goals. Live like you're broke on purpose. So later, you don't have to live broke by accident. Sacrifice now for freedom later. Trust me, your future self will thank you. This is where the magic happens. Even if it's just $10, start investing consistently. Use apps like Robinhood, Binance, or even ETFs if you prefer lower risk. Focus on long-term assets, index funds, crypto, for a small portion, real estate platforms, or even digital businesses. The earlier you invest, the more time compound growth works for you. Time is your biggest asset in your 20s, not money. Wealth isn't just money, it's leverage. In your 20s, invest in high-income skills: copywriting, digital marketing, coding, AI tools, sales, content creation. These are skills that can 10x your income in the next few years. No college degree required. The more value you create, the more money you attract. So here's your 20s game plan in 5 steps. 1. Shift your mindset. 2. Build income any way you can. 3. Live below your means. 4. Start investing early and often. 5. Learn skills that make you valuable. Don't worry if you're broke right now. What matters is your direction, not your starting point. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built intentionally. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. I'm building wealth in my 20s. Let's grow together, right here on Investor Expert. See you in the next one.